Hello, how are you? Today I will show you how to make a Trisc stitch, try single crochet. It's very easy stitch. Here I'm using macrame Eva yarn and hook number 6. You can use the yarn that you want. This stitch is very beautiful for bag and clutch and clothes of crochet. Now begin with a duplicated number of 2. Here in this part I will make 10 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the second stitch and make 1 single crochet. And in this stitch and this stitch and this stitch I will make single crochet decreases. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, insert the hook, pull up another loop, insert the hook and pull up another loop, then pull through these loops from the hook, make 1 chain, then in this stitch, the last one we work on it, I will insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch 1 single crochet, in this stitch 1 single crochet and close them together. Then make 1 chain and continue by repeat this try single crochet. The first one, second and third one, it will be 4 loops on the hook, pull through them, 1 chain. In the end of our row we will find 2 chains, that means we are right. Okay, I will insert the hook in this stitch and the next one and this next one. It will be 4 loops on the hook. I will pull through them and don't make 1 chain. This last stitch don't make after it 1 chain, but make here in the last stitch single crochet. Okay, this is the first row. Row number 2, make 1 chain, turn your work, insert the hook in this first stitch and make 1 single crochet and repeat the try single crochet by insert the hook in the first stitch and in the second stitch and take 1 loop for the third stitch. Then it will be 4 loops on the hook, pull through them and make 1 chain and repeat try single crochet. Don't forget to make like and comment on this video and share the video if you like it. Continue the row by the same method. Make try single crochet and 1 chain. This is the last stitch. I will make 1 try single crochet more and the last stitch we didn't make 1 chain here, but we make 1 single crochet in the last of the row. Then 1 chain, turn your work, make 1 single crochet in these 3 stitches, make try single crochet. Continue by the same method to get the size that you want. Here I make a lot of row. See, it look like a star, but by a simple method. I will make here a couch. Then after I make it, I will show you how to make it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe, and goodbye.